Robert, I know we have up here somewhere, and I'm trying to find it, A Dad's Conquering Nature. We've referenced the beer story many times, and I think we should do it.
We got to do it.
Yeah.
That one's nice and sweet and short.
With some quick thinking and a couple of cold ones, a Northern California man saved his house from a wildfire using Bud Light.
So I was just shaking it up, popping it, and just spraying and throwing it down, grabbing another one. And...
Yes, that man is exactly how I wanted him to be. So it was quick thinking for Chad Little. He says the LNU complex fire was swiftly approaching his home when his water was turned off. He says his cars and his shop were going up in flames and he saw the beer. So he grabbed the can, shook them up, poured them onto the fire, and he put the fire out. He saved his home, which, by the way, burned down 5 years ago in an attic fire.
Okay, but isn't alcohol usually flammable? I guess Bud Light is technically water, though. Ooh, ding, 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 gotcha.
Hey, burning him.
Oh, good one, Robert. You could have used your sound effects.
I know, I can't, it's too much. I only got two hands, Sam,
No,
please.
that was good. That was good. 30 rack and roll there, Mr. Verb.